Here we are on Back Beach. We're about 15k from Foster. That's that little complex down there, all that ugly looking stuff. And it's just beautiful. What we're doing today is we're getting the opportunity to fly the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. That's the drone. We call it Eric, and we get to put it on sports mode. You don't often get that opportunity because it goes so fast. So we shot it down the beach here, and I think we're doing about 70k. It was absolutely fantastic. Plus, we did a few tricky things with the sand. So sit back and watch this. Some great ideas for flying your drone on the beach.
All of me wants all of you. You pull me in and cut me loose. Yeah, I'm right here. Now where are you? You tell me lies when I'm all true. I could be your girl.
So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
So if you like this video, what do you do, Kim?
Give us a thumbs up, subscribe over there, and we'll see you in the next one.